Okay, aloha mai kākou, aloha hiahi kākou. Okay, kala iwa kālua o May, ahe po'aha ke ia. We're going to be talking about ʻOpaʻa 13B. So we've been focusing on 13 for 2 weeks, I believe. And that was painu. But this time, it's another form of painu, and it's negative painu. So negative verb sentences. Okay. Here's our agenda. If you're joining us for the first time, we're going to start off with some, formalities, and then do practice from the last lesson, and then get into our lesson for this evening. It's probably going to go longer than 15. I don't know why I put 15 there, but yeah. Okay. Aloha mai kākou na homana. Welcome again to our ʻAʻole virtual Hawaiian language class. If you guys can put your answers for these 2 questions for me in the chat. Owai koinoa, what is your name? And noho oi ihea, where do you live? So we can build pilina with each other. Yeah, we're pretty much all ohana already, so welcome to the ohana. Aloha o kumukanu o loko uinoa, noho au ma ke walo uka on the island of Oahu. Joining me to this evening are 4, is Carter here? Carter here. Our 4 kākou that's going to help us throughout the evening. So if you have any questions or any concerns, please address it to them. And I'm going to have Erika, if you can introduce yourself first.
Mai kākou, Erika ko inoa, noho au ma mo ili ma Oahu.
Mahalo. Kapua.
Aloha o Kapua ko inoa, noho au ma Ka'ele pulu ma Kailua ma Oahu.
Lena Ala, thank you. Lena Ala.
Elena me ke aloha kākou. O Lena Ala ko inoa Hawaii, noho au I lihu e ma Kauai.
And thank you. And finally, Carly.
Aloha mai kākou, o Carly ko inoa, noho au ma Seattle.
Okay. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, just address it to those 4 wahine. Okay. These are our values that we follow, and I'm going to have some of our new homana read them for us, if you wouldn't mind. So I'm going to call first on Gail Silva. Would you mind reading the first one for us? I'm trying to find her too. Gail? Oh, okay. Got it.
Oh wait,
hi,
I
Gail.
can. Aloha. Hi. So just read the first one. Aloha
Yes.
Kiki'i Kekahi. Love one another. We are an ohana.
Mahalo. Thank you. Okay, number 2, can we have Eva? Eva? She's busy.
Ho'ihi aku, ho'ihi mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat.
Mahalo. Charmaine, can you read number 3?
E kulia I ka nu'u. Strive to be the very best you can be.
Thank you. And lastly, our 4th one is ʻAʻa ʻŌLELO, mai hila hila. So most importantly, dare to speak, don't be shaming class. Trying to promote everyone being comfortable and safe, like a safe space. So yes. Okay, let's go to our ʻoli. Anyone want to lead us in ʻehomai and then never go yet? Anyone? No?
Dale said yes.
Hey, Dale. Okay.
E ho mai pa. E ho mai ka ike mai luna mai. O na mea huna no e o na mele. E ho mai. E ho mai. E ho mai. E ho mai ka ike mai luna mai. O na mea huna no e o na mele. E ho mai, e ho mai. E ho mai, e ho mai kai ke mai luna mai e. O na mea huna no e au, o na mele. E ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai e.
E hea I ke kanaka e kumamalo ko e hana ia hewa kawahai. E ano kaukula o ka leo a he leo vale no e. Thank you, Dale. Awesome. Okay. Oh, what does the significance of the pa at the start of ehomai mean? Yes. So it just means to start. Ehomai pa, and then everyone signals people to start. Okay. Good question. Thank you. And we're gonna learn the new ʻAʻole soon. Maybe next class. We'll see. What's this? What's going on? Okay. So, there. So last time we learned about our verb sentences, and again there was the PEPEKE PAINU or verb sentences. Painu is a verb or an action word, and then we also learned the different namaka painu, the verb tense markers. Okay, so let's see what you guys remember regarding the verb tense markers, and see if you guys can translate these in the chat for me. So put your chat on private. If you don't know, Mahala. It's okay. Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. You're good.
I
Everyone.
forgot.
Everyone close your eyes.
Yeah, close your eyes. Don't look. But you guys can just try on your own to answer these. I'll give you guys a minute and a half maybe. So ho'oloheo inakumu, number 1. Number 2, eheleana o ikekula. Sorry, it's supposed to be K. Number 3, woholo na ileo ma waikiki. Number 4, ke inu ne o kea I Hawaii. And number 5, kumukanola will drive to Washington. Party. See what you guys can come up with. Not too bad, yeah. Just remember the tense. Remember what the verb marker shows. So either past, present, future, or just simple general tense. Yeah. Maybe about 30 more seconds. See what you guys can get. Good Pi'ilani. Oh yeah, Ohana Lucy, the god. Good Tobias. Okay, good. I'll give you guys some more time, but while we're doing that, can you guys in the chat too, if you're Paul, can you put the correct verb marker for past tense? What shows past tense for our verb markers? Good. Yes, good. Jamie, what is our past tense marker?
Ua.
Ua. Okay, so it shows things done already in the past. Number 2, what shows our present tense? So currently happening right now. Yeah, good Leona, good Dale, good Tobias. Yes, Rissa, what is that?
Kene.
Kene, ke painu ne. Good job. And our last one is future tense, so things that will happen in the future. What would that show? Good, everyone. Good. Yeah, you guys remember, even after a week break. Stephanie, what does that show? Or what is the verb marker? Stephanie? Fran?
Yes, sorry.
No, you're good. Yeah, what you wrote?
So you want the first one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I listen the teacher.
Yeah, good. Okay. And then, okay. Yay. So number 2, let's go to, who got number 2? Pamela.
I will go to the school.
Yeah. Can you read the Hawaiian just to practice?
Yes. E hele ana au I ka kula.
Good job.
I
So,
ke
okay.
kula.
Yeah. Gotcha. You got it. That was a trick. That was a test. Okay, number 3, let's go to, who got it? Kiani.
Number 3. Oahola na ilio ma Waikiki. The dogs run in Waikiki.
So past tense. So just, yeah.
The dogs ran.
Yeah, good. In Waikiki. Number 4, let's go to Tobias.
Ke ino nei o kea I kawai. Kea is drinking water.
Good job. She's drinking currently. So that's the KD. And the last one, number 5. Let's go to, we'll get them. I don't know. Dale, yeah.
E kalaiwa ana o Kumukahanuola I Washington.
Good job. Okay, Maikai everyone. So that was a good practice. And we're gonna continue practicing this tonight, but just the negative forms of it, yeah. Okay, so here's our ʻŌLELO no ʻAʻole for today's class. I'm gonna ask Lindy, can you read our ʻŌLELO no ʻAʻole?
Sorry. Makahana ka iki.
Okay, and what does that mean?
It means in doing one learns.
Mahalo. Okay, so if you guys can put your answer in the chat for me, what does this ʻŌLELO no ʻAʻole mean to you, and how can you use this ʻŌLELO no ʻAʻole in your life? For me, it just means that if you want to learn something or if you want to gain more knowledge of something, you got to actually do the work. You know, you got to make it happen. And you guys are doing it. You guys are coming to ʻŌLELO Hawaii class and learning ʻŌLELO Hawaii. You know, I'm sure you always wanted to learn for the longest time. And now that you have an accessible way to do it, you guys are doing it. So you guys are living and breathing this exact sentiment. So good job, everyone. Yeah, by practicing, you learn, putting in effort. Good. These are all good. Yeah. Okay, cool. Keep them coming, whatever you guys have. And we'll just keep moving on to our actual lesson, ʻAʻole painu, which is our negative verb sentences. Okay, so let's go through this. We're going to ask someone to read this paragraph. It's called Pi'ilani. Can you read this first paragraph for us? So PEPEKE PAINU verb sentences.
Aye. A PEPEKE PAINU is a verb sentence that this means that there needs to be a verb or action in the sentence to show that someone is doing something. In this unit, you will continue to learn how to form verb sentences, but in a negative form.
Okay, mahalo. So yes, you guys already know PEPEKE PAINU is a verb sentence, but we're going to show the negative form of it. So when we ho'ole or negate a PEPEKE PAINU, no tense, it will follow the same rules as negating a PEPEKE ʻAʻano, or a PEPEKE PAINU ʻAʻano, our descriptive sentences, yeah? So the main thing that you need to do when you want to turn it into a negative is add this one word, and that is ʻAʻole. Okay, so when you put ʻAʻole, then if you put ʻAʻole, you're going to show that it's a negative verb sentences, that it's actually something is not happening. Okay, so the ʻAʻole will come at the beginning of the sentence. No matter what verb tense you have, the ʻAʻole is always going to start your negative sentence. Okay, there's also a rule that we must follow, and this is going to be the papani bunny rule. Okay, everyone say that with me, papani bunny. Okay, so if the piko is a papani in a ho'ole sentence, it jumps to the front of the sentence behind the ʻAʻole. Okay, so papani again are our pronouns, and let's go through our pronouns real quickly. Let's point to wherever the pronouns are. Okay. Kind of a test. So let's point to oi. Who's oi? Good. Oi is you. So pointing straight to the screen at me. Who's oya? On the side. He, she, or it. That's oya. What's ʻAu? Me or I. Good job. Okay, moving to our second tier. We have two people. Let's do Olua. Good, Charmaine. Yeah. Olua, two. You two, pointing straight at the screen. Let's do Kawa. Yeah, good. Us two, me, you, and I. Let's do Lawa. Yeah. Barack and Michelle, they two. And let's do Mawa. What is the motion where you can't sit with us? Good. Okay, if you got those four, then these last ones are gonna be easy. Let's do kākou. Yeah, all of us, we're all in this together. Let's do oko. Good, you three. Lako, they three, and Mako. Yes. Good. If you're new and you're like, what the heck's going on? Don't leave. Stay. You'll learn it eventually. Okay, so if you see any of those words, any of those 11 papani, is that 11? 4, yeah, 11. Then it's gonna jump. Okay, and we'll see some more examples throughout this evening. Okay, so two of the main things, all your negative sentences are gonna start with ʻAʻole, and then if you have a papani in your sentence, it's gonna be a papani bunny and it's gonna jump. Okay. Alrighty, so we went through this, but let's just go through it again. There are four main parts to every negative PEPEKE PAINU sentence. To help you remember these parts, think of the parts of a he'e or a squid. So your first part is going to be your po'o, the head, and that is ʻAʻole painu. Okay, so that will start it off. The piko is the navel, the middle, and that's going to be your subject, whoever's doing the action or not doing the action in this case. Then you're gonna have your ʻami. So if you think of like your hand, your ʻami is the joint that connects it. So that's gonna be your joining word, which there's a lot, but we'll go through some examples this evening. And then your ʻAwe is your tentacle. So all the additional information. And if you can see, I mean, if visualizing a he'e, they have 8 tentacles. Is that right? Yeah, 8 tentacles. So that means you can keep adding on ʻAwe to show more detail in your sentence structure. Okay? Keep that in mind as we go through it. Alrighty, I think we're good with this. These are all just reviews, pretty much. Okay, so let's get into our first one. So this is going to be our simple tense verb. So this is easy because if you think about it, all you're pretty much doing is saying the positive form of the sentence and adding a ʻAʻole to the beginning. Okay, unless it's like a papani. Okay, so let's look at this structure. It's gonna start with ʻAʻole, then your painu. Okay, then piko, ʻAʻmi, ʻAwe. Easy, pretty easy. What was I gonna say? I'm just gonna say something. So simple tense means that you know, there's not really a time happening. Yeah. It's not going to be past, present, future. It's kind of just general or like habitual, like we always kind of do it kind of thing. Yeah. So let's go. Can you read this sentence for me, please? ʻŌLELO, this bottom one.
Oh, sorry, I forgot I was ʻŌLELO today.
Nah.
ʻAʻole, okay. ʻAʻole o Keone ma Waikiki.
Sorry, there's one more word right under ʻAʻole.
Okay, ʻAʻole noho o Keone ma Waikiki.
Okay, and what would that translate to?
Keone does not
Yeah.
live in Waikiki.
Good job. Okay, so that's how our sentences will go. Okay, so I want you guys to do me a favor. Change Keone to your name. Keep everything the same and choose a place that you don't live. Or you'd want to live, but you don't. Okay, so don't do Waikiki. And try write the same sentence for me in the chat. So, ʻaʻole noho o Kumakanuola ma Las Vegas. I don't live in Las Vegas, but I want to. There you go. Soho. Okay, good practice. Alrighty, okay. So keep those in mind as we move on to our next part. And actually, here's an example of the papani one. So pretty much the same thing, but again, if the piko is the papani in your ho'ole sentence, it jumps to the front of the sentence behind the ʻaʻole. So instead of saying like this one, ʻaʻole painu, then your piko, you're gonna say ʻaʻole papani and then painu. I don't know why. I mean, I always ask my kumu why did they do this or what's the reasoning. There's no reason. It just happened. Okay, and that's why we did the papani bunny. You know, that's why we nicknamed it. Not we, they. That's why they nicknamed it because it's gonna jump. The bunny jumps. Okay, so that's a good kind of device to remember it. So instead of say, if you wanted to say I don't live in Waikiki, you're gonna say ʻaʻole o noho ma Waikiki. Okay, so get up, kind of ingrain that in your mind that the honey is gonna jump, you know. Instead of saying ʻaʻole noho au ma Waikiki, say ʻaʻole o noho ma Waikiki. It's gonna take a while, and it's not wrong if you say it the other way, ʻaʻole noho au. I mean, it is wrong, but main thing is that you're trying, and just you'll learn through practice. Okay. Alrighty, so let's see what we can come up with these 5 sentences. So in the chat, we're going to do the 5 on private. Private. Okay, so the first one is ʻaʻole oia hana ma zippies. If you're not familiar with these words, you can just put in hana, and just we'll come back to it later on when we go over it. The next one, ʻaʻole kuke ko'u mama or makuahine ika aina ahi ahi. Number 3, ʻaʻole make o lilo ya stitch. Number 4, ʻaʻole kokua ka mo'opuna i nā kupuna. And number 5, they 3 do not surf at Keawa Ula. Thank you. Yes, please go to vehevehe.org if you need help looking up words. Remember, keep your tenses general, so no past, present, future. All just like da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da. Nothing after your verb, pretty much.
Wait, like what?
Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da. Good, 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 good. Yeah, good, Leona. Okay, we'll give you guys 30 seconds. Maybe a little longer, 45. These are kind of hard. Yeah, Charmaine. Good, Tobias. Tobias, the last one, they three. Try it one more time, they three. Okay. Good, everyone. Let's do the game where we do the one word kind of thing. So everyone's gonna take turns saying a word. Just when it gets to that word, just turn on your mic, and if you're the first one to say it, then you're good. So the first one, ʻAʻole oia hana ma zippies. What is the first word?
Doesn't.
Yeah, he or she. That was kind of tricky.
Oh, he or she.
Or it, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, next word, number 2.
Doesn't.
Good. Yeah, Charmaine, good. Number 3.
Work.
Number 4.
At.
And number 5.
Dippies.
Good. Okay, so let's try that same thing. And we're just gonna, once you say a word, then you can leave your mic off and we'll go to the next person, whoever. Yeah, no, you're good, Charmaine. Thank you. Okay, ʻaʻole kuke ko'u mama I ka ʻaina ahi ahi. I'm gonna kind of point to it, so let's try. First word.
My.
You.
Second word. My, yeah. Second word.
Mom.
Third word.
Doesn't.
Fourth.
Cook.
Fifth.
Dinner.
The and last one.
Natural or
Evening.
The
dinner.
Dinner, yeah. So this is the
Oh
word.
my gosh. Okay.
Nah, you're good. So my mother doesn't cook the dinner. Okay, cool. This one's kind of easy, hopefully. Number 3, first word.
Lilo.
Second word.
Doesn't.
Third.
Want.
Like.
Want or like, yeah, either or. And last word.
Bitch.
Stitch. Okay, good. Lilo doesn't like stitch. Good. Number 4. Try put your answer. Oh no. Let's call on someone. Let's go to Jason. You have an answer for number 4?
The grandchild doesn't help the grandparents or the elders.
Yeah, good. Yeah, doesn't help the grandparents. Like, good job, Erika. Give him a cookie. Chocolate, whatever. Okay, and number 5, the last one. Oh, that face though. Number 5, I'm gonna call on, Dorcas.
Oh, okay. ʻAʻole ko he e nalu ma kiawa ula.
Yeah, good. ʻAʻole lako he e nalu ma kiawa ula. Mike Ka'i, good job. Okay, all right, so let's try this. Let's all try and create our own negative simple tense sentence in the chat. Okay? Maybe we'll stay away from the Papani ones, but everything else is free game. So a good way to do it is create your positive sentence first, like a dog eats, and then add the ʻaʻole to the beginning. Okay? So whatever. And if it's wrong, it's wrong. If it's right, it's right. Just try your best and put a negative simple tense sentence in the chat for me. I'll give you guys a minute. Okay, we're done. No, I'm just kidding. And we have some Quizlets to help us with our vocab, which I'll send to you guys later on. Ethan, you're almost there. Something goes before kikoa. What marks a name? Yeah. But good, very good. Good, po mohala. Nice, everyone. Oh, good, Tobias. That's a fun one. Wrong, Erika. Great. Oh, good. Someone tried with Papani. Good job, Jamie. And Pi'ilani. Kiani, read yours. I like it.
Did I type it right?
All you need is a ka before the halakahiki. But yeah, try listening to what she says.
ʻAʻole ao make i ka halakahiki make pizza.
Okay. ʻAʻole au make i ka halakahiki maka pizza. Okay. Anyone want to try and give me that answer in English?
I don't like pineapple pizza.
I don't like pineapple on my pizza.
Oh.
Okay, Ethan, can you try yours? And let's
all right. ʻAʻole holo holo o ke koa ma kahakai ma Waimanalo.
Okay, ʻAʻole holo holo o ke koa ma kahakai ma Waimanalo. And he put two ave, so the more details, yeah? Anyone want to try? ʻAʻole holo holo o ke koa ma kahakai ma Waimanalo. Oh, see, too hard.
Kekoa doesn't like going to the beach at Waimanalo.
Yeah, so going to the beach or like cruising at the beach in Waimanalo. Yeah, good job, Ethan and Dale. Thank you. So as we continue on with this class, we're going to be doing more of these, creating your own sentences. And I think we're at a good place where we can do that now. So yeah, I think you guys get them. And again, doesn't matter if you're right or wrong. The main thing is that you're trying. Yeah, my computer autocorrects. Yeah, that happens to me all the time. No worries. Okay, so let's get into our maka painu. So instead of just doing the simple tense, we're going to go a little bit harder. I'm just going to say harder with these new maka painu. And I'm going to say new because you're going to change it from what it was in the positive version. So these are the maka painu or verb tense markers to show an action in the past, present, and future in negative form. Practice saying the verb tenses terms on the left in Hawaiian. Okay, so this is where it can get kind of tricky. Because when it comes to our verb tense markers like ua, kene, and eana, they're going to change when you make it negative. I know. Why? I don't know. But it just happened that way. So thank you, Kupuna, for doing it. But it's okay. We'll make it work. So this first one is going to be past tense, negative past tense verb marker. And instead of saying ua, you're going to change ua to e. Ua changes to e. So if you're writing down notes, this is a very important note to write down, these three. Or you can screenshot it, whichever. Okay, so you're going to say ʻAʻole e, then your painu. Okay. Thank you, Erika. Okay, so when you have your present tense currently happening right now, you're going to change, it was kene before, you're going to change kene to e painune. E painune. Okay, so you just drop the K. Okay, so ʻAʻole e painune. Dale, can you ask the question one more time?
What do you mean by a negative sentence?
So like how we were just going over, like I don't drink the water, like that kind. So you're not doing the verb, yeah. Okay. So yeah, ʻAʻole e painune shows that it is not happening currently. The last one is easy because you're not switching it. It's going to be the same. ʻAʻole e painuana. So that's the only one that doesn't change out of the three. Okay. And that's going to show your future marker. So ʻAʻole e painuana, something that happens in the future. Okay, so let's do me a favor. Let's try some of these in the chat. So what would it mean if I said ʻAʻole I holo? What would that show? There's no pico, but just what English would that?
Don't go.
Try one more time. Past tense.
Oh, went.
Didn't go. Or didn't run. Yeah.
Okay.
Didn't run. Okay. What about ʻAʻole e holo nei? ʻAʻole e holo nei. Good, Kapua. Good, Paulina. Yes, Erika. Yeah. Good. Yeah, Tasha. You don't need the I, but what is that showing? Sorry. No.
Sorry. Not running.
Not running.
Not
Currently.
doing it. Yeah.
Yeah, good. And then the last one, ʻAʻole e holoana. ʻAʻole e holoana. Good, Ohana Lucy. Yeah. Good. Ohana Lucy, what does that show?
Not running.
Try one more time. You had it correct.
I won't run.
Won't run. Won't run or will not run.
Won't run.
Okay, and all three of those describe me. I didn't run, I'm not running, and I will not run. Okay, so that's that. Alrighty, okay. So we're gonna go into individually, and we're right at the 7:10 mark, so we'll see. Maybe we'll go a little bit past the 7:30 before we're going to break our rounds. Okay, ready out. So, starting with our past tense versions, here is the sample. ʻAʻole I, then your painu. Okay, ʻAʻole I painu, that is your po'o, your starting of your sentence. Then you have your piko. What is the case though? What happens? What is the rule that we must follow? Someone put it in the chat. If the piko is, whoa, what's that? Oh, thanks, Erika. Okay, yes, Chanel, can you read it for us, what you just typed?
Papani bunny.
Papani bunny. So only if you have a papani, then it's gonna jump, yeah? Okay, and then ami ave. All right, so if I said ʻAʻole I noho o pua ma maui, what does that show us? Carrie, ʻAʻole I noho o pua ma maui.
Pua didn't live on Maui.
Yeah, in or on Maui. Yeah, either or. Oh, sorry, not Waikiki. My bad. But yeah, Pua didn't live on Maui. Okay. Alrighty, you know what? Let's create a sentence first. So noho, yeah, noho, Pua Mahalo. Noho means live or stay or reside. Okay, but again, like many of their Hawaiian words, they have many different meanings. So noho also means chair or to sit. Okay, so it depends on what you're talking about. Okay, so let's try that same sentence. Change your name out for Pua, and then change your name out or change the place name out. Okay, and let's give me the Hawaiian and the English. I want to see if you guys are getting the tense markers when we translate it. So for me, ʻAʻole I noho o ka hanuola ma Kauai. Yeah, good, Pua Mahalo. Can you give me the English too? So type out your Hawaiian and your English. Good, Carrie. Good, Eva. Yeah. Good, Jason. Oh, Jason used Erika, not Jason. Okay, Maikai. Let's call on Eva. What is your sentence and what is your translation? Sorry, Eva. Oh.
Thanks. Sorry. ʻAʻole I noho o Eva ma Molokaʻi. Eva didn't live in Molokaʻi.
Like Kai. Good job, everyone. Yeah, everyone pretty much got the same thing, so you guys are all good. All good in the hood. All right. Wait, that's wrong. Okay, so let's try these 4 or these 5. Again, see what you guys come up with. If you need to go to vehevehe.org to look up these words, you can. But most of these words kind of familiar to us. So the first one, ʻAʻole I himene o Beyonce makapa'ina. Okay. Second one, ʻAʻole I malama ko'u anakala ina ʻilio. Ooh, that was kind of tricky. Third one, ʻAʻole I inu na pepe I ka waiu I nehine. Wow, I'm giving it to y'all tonight. Number 4, ʻAʻole o kou I ho'olohe I ke kumu no ke kula. And the last one, Mark didn't fly to California. Try your best, minute and a half. See what you guys can come up with. Good, Lindy. Yeah, if you guys can put it on private for me, please. People like to cheat, yeah, in this class. They just look at the answer and cheat. Cheetahs. Good, Tobias. Okay, and I'm gonna try and call the people that never go yet. Yes, po Mahalo. Good. If they cheat, they don't learn and then cheat themselves. Okay, maybe about 15 more seconds, but so far everything coming in is correct. I don't even know. I didn't read it off, but I'll just say it's correct, and it's correct. Okay, cool. Good job, everyone. Alrighty. Chanel, can you read the first Hawaiian and then your translation?
ʻAʻole I himene o Beyonce makapa'ina. Beyonce will not sing at the party.
Try one more time. Past tense.
Beyonce didn't sing at the party.
Good. Okay. ʻAʻole himene o Beyonce makapa'ina. Beyonce didn't sing at the party. Number 2. Risa.
Read the Hawaiian first?
Yes, please.
Okay. ʻAʻole I malama ko'u anakala ina ʻilio. My uncle didn't take care of the dogs?
Yep, didn't take care of the dogs. Okay, number 3. Let's go to Pi'ilani.
ʻAʻole I inu na pepe I ka waiu I nehine. The babies didn't drink the milk yesterday.
Good job, guys. Number 4. I'm gonna ask. We'll never go yet. I'm gonna try Kikai Malu. You think you can go? I know your camera's off, but you can just turn on your mic if you're here.
Which one?
Right here. Number 4.
Oh. They listen to the teacher at school.
Close. You 3 didn't.
Oh, you 3 didn't listen to the teacher at school?
Good. Okay, so you 3 didn't listen to the teacher at school. And this last one, let's try the single words one. Okay, so Mark didn't fly to California. First word,
ʻAʻole.
ʻAʻole. Second word,
E.
good. Third word,
Lele.
yeah. ʻAʻole ʻilele. Second word, or fourth word?
Oh.
Good. Not just Mark. Mark. Okay. And then the last two words would be
California.
California. Yeah. California. Or you can say California. You don't have to translate it. So good. ʻAʻole ʻilele o Mark California. Good job. Proud of everyone. Yes.
So for this one, could it be E or Ma in this situation?
So no, since it's going to is
it's
only
just E.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma would be at California. Or in honor at. Okay, good question. All right, let's all create our own sentence and see what we come up with. Anything, but use this example to help you out. So ʻAʻole I, your verb, then your piko unless it's a papani, and then whatever ave you can. If you can do 2 ave, that's also good. Try and challenge yourself to think outside the box. Ethan did it. He had a good, he did make kākou, mawai manalo, 2 ave, yeah? But again, ave you can add in time, you can add in who, what, where, when, why, all those stuff. Love it. Lena, love. Good, Carrie. Yeah. I know. Nice, Dorcas. Good job, you guys. These sentences are good. Okay, if you think back a couple weeks, do you think you could have created these sentences? Maybe, but yeah. Okay. Oh, Stephanie, good. Try, there's one little mistake. You don't need the O before ko'uileo. But can you read what you have?
ʻAʻole I makeke, kākou I lio na kinipopo.
Okay. So ʻaʻole I makemake, ka'uileo I na kinipopo. And that's how we do it in France. Good job, Stephanie. Okay, so my dog doesn't like balls. Okay. Yeah. Let's try one more. Who got a nice? Pi'ilani, you have 3 actually. 3 ave. What is yours, Pi'ilani?
ʻAʻole I himeni koʻu mama I ka hale pule I nehine me koʻu papa.
Yeah, and what does that translate to?
My mother didn't sing at church yesterday with my dad.
Good job. Okay. Good. All around, my kai. Okay. I don't know why I jam-pack everything into one lesson. Okay. So let's go to our present tense one. Again, we're changing kene to ane. So pretty much it's the same thing. We don't know why either. Pretty much it's the same thing, like how we just did with ua, but just know that this is not happening right now. So most likely you're gonna have an ing at the end of your verb. So ʻAʻole e painu nei, piko ami ave, papani bani, remember. Read this, can you read the sample for me, please? Lehua.
ʻAʻole e noho nei ka wahine ma Las Vegas.
Okay, ʻAʻole e noho nei ka wahine ma Las Vegas. And Charmaine, what does that translate to? Sorry.
The woman didn't, oh no. The woman is not living in Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So the woman is not living in Las Vegas. So remember, your verbs are mostly going to be living, breathing. Why did I say breathing? Eating, those kind of stuff. Okay, breathing, I know. Okay, cool. Let's just go right into our sentences. So let's go one by one. So let's all translate this one first together. ʻAʻole e ue nei ke keiki kane ma ke kaʻa. Let's not even type it. Let's just say it. So the first word, I'll kind of point it to you. Someone. The second word.
Boy.
Boy. Third word, I don't know what to point to, but yeah.
Is not.
Good. Yeah.
Crying.
Next word.
Crying.
And the last three words.
The car.
In the car.
Harley. In the car. The boy is not crying in the car. Okay, cool. Same thing. Second one. Remember, if you say one word, you can leave your mic off for the next word. Okay. First word.
Mine.
Second.
Father.
Yeah.
Father.
Third.
Is not. Is not.
It's not.
Fourth.
Washing.
Yeah. Last three. Or last two.
The dog.
Good. ʻAʻole e holai nei ko umakua kane I ka ʻilio. My father is not washing the dog. Okay, everyone. Okay, and the last three you guys can do in the chat for me. I know this is like a, what is it called? Brain dump? No, not a brain dump. It's overwhelming. But it's okay. I think we got it. We focused a lot on the positive, and that definitely helped us with this negative part. Yeah. Stephanie, are you okay? Okay, I thought you were like, oh no, why am I doing this to myself? Yeah, we're almost at 7:30, so right after this, we're gonna go into a breakout room. So. Ethan, try one more time with your verb tense. Yeah. If any note you should write would be the tenses. So like ʻUa would be past, and then you can put PEPEKE PAINU if you want. I'll kind of write it out for you folks to make it easy. Mahalo po mahalo. Good. Thank you, Wiho. Okay, good. Let's ask Carly. Can you read your number 3 and your answer? I'm testing our kākou. Let's see what they can.
ʻAʻole e pukakula nei o Keone mai UH Mano. Keone is not graduating from UH Mano.
Okay, 1 point. Uh-oh. Number 3. Erika, where'd she go? She disappeared. Hey, Kapua, number 4.
ʻAʻole e kākou e kākou nei.
Hey, this one.
Oh, sorry, guys. We 3+ are not writing at the church.
Yeah. Okay. And number 5, Lena Alak, she hit the hard one.
ʻAʻole kākou ke kumu. Oh, sorry. ʻAʻole e kākou nei ke kumu I ka papa.
Good job. Yep, E or Ma both work in this example. And Erika, we're just gonna have you create one on your own since you wanted to leave.
Oh my! I had an emergency that required my camera to be off.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so can you create a sentence?
Okay.
And then everyone listen and try and translate it.
Okay. ʻAʻole e ai nei o Jason I ke kuki kokoleka.
Cool.
ʻAʻole e ai nei o Jason I ke kuki kokoleka.
Yeah, and I'm gonna ask her husband if he can give us that translation.
Jason doesn't eat chocolate cookies.
Is that right, Erika?
Definitely not.
ʻAʻole, it's Jason is not eating a chocolate cookie.
Yeah. Close though. You're right there. So
no cookie for you.
Stop it. Give him a cookie. Okay. Last part. I'm going to our breakout rooms because we're right at the 7:30. And I'm gonna have you guys do these ones on your own. So again, these are the future. So in your group, you guys are gonna translate these together. Try and work it out together as a group, yeah? Yeah, you know. Okay, so you guys are gonna first translate the 5 together, and then when you're done, if you can, try and yeah, hui Stephanie, merci, bonjour, au revoir. Try and create sentences when you're done. Okay, so maybe one of each of the verb tenses. Okay. I'll open up the breakout rooms. So 2 tasks that we're doing. First, translating these last sentences. Oh, do I need to copy them? I should copy them. That might be smart. Let me copy them for you first. Okay. Here, I'm gonna copy them into the chat for you so you guys can have them if you're not on the slides. Thank you, everyone. If you guys are heading out, we'll see you guys next week, and you can sign up for next week's class. Hui hou, Melanie. Okay, there you go. So you guys, breakout rooms are open. You guys can go translate and also create some sentences together.
Did you send it private? Because it's not in the chat.
I did. It's okay. Maybe they can figure it out.
Just try send it, because I don't even know what I'm supposed to be translating.
Okay.
It's in the slides too, yeah?
Don't even know which slides I'm on, because we never went over the last tense, right? We just stopped at 2.
Yeah,
The last sentence is what we're supposed
to
to
try
do.
and figure it out on your own, yeah.
Which one? Okay, we're doing the.
If I broadcast a message, can you guys copy it? Does it stay?
No, it doesn't stay.
Okay.
Okay, so we're doing future tense.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go individually. And
okay, got it.
Okay.
ʻAʻole e hakaka ana o BJ Penn ma Las Vegas. And I think that means BJ Penn is not fighting in Las Vegas.
Okay, one more time. Future.
Will not fight in Las Vegas.
Good.
That's a new word for me.
Yeah, hakaka. I guess you can figure it out by BJ Penn, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, because of the ana, that means will not future.
Yeah, no, yeah, will not. Actually, how about you guys, when you're done translating, just create 3 future tense negative sentences. Okay?
Okay.
Since we never really want to go over those.
Because I can't see them.
I think we're supposed to translate the sentences.
No, but I can't see the sentences. They're not in the chat.
Do you have the slides? No?
I'll send them.
I'm going to copy them in the chat for you.
Yeah, just click on the slides in the chat.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah, I can copy them. I get them.
Okay.
Thank you.
So for the next one, kanu, I didn't know what kanu is.
Is kanu like to pick or to gather?
To plant.
Plant, a plant. Okay.
Yeah. So mea kanu, there you go. Linda, you are they in the chat?
No.
What?
I'll slide it down. Maybe.
Oh, okay. You're probably blocked.
Oh, there.
Oh, so Keikoa doesn't want to plant lo'ikalo?
Will
not.
Will not plant what?
Kalo.
In the lo'ikalo.
Yeah.
Oh,
good.
in the lo'ikalo.
Yeah. So, yeah. When you guys are done, maybe instead of creating all kind of different sentences, can you guys just create 3 future tense negative? Okay, since we never really went over that one. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Amela got it. If you have questions, ask her. Thanks. Bye.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Number 3 is, oh, hi, Kumu. Oh my goodness. Stop being a distraction.
Oh, he's good. He's fine.
Is he waving to you?
Yeah, you're waving with his transformers or whatever.
Okay, so the third one is ʻAʻole e holo ana nā keiki makapaka o alamo ana. So the first part, ʻAʻole e holo ana nā keiki. The children will not run. And then the second part, yeah, holo is run, correct. So the second part is makapaka or alamoana.
Paka is park, right? So the kids will not run at Ala Moana Park.
Good job.
Yes.
You get a cookie. When you guys are done, yeah, just one. Just half of one. Just one side of the Oreo. You don't even get the cream. Okay. So when you guys are done, if you guys can create 3 future tense examples, since we didn't really go over those, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Let's see, who's waving bye to you?
Oh, you guys got Erika. You guys are fine. Bye.
Phoenix. Perfect. Yes. Let's go.
Oh, you guys are done. Okay, so can you create 3 of this structure?
Sure. Future tense, or do you want them to do one past, present, future?
Future.
Okay.
Since they never really go over that one.
Sounds good. So everybody gets to write one of their own future tense sentences.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do them like that.
Should we pick it? Like how Kumu does it?
Yeah.
Kumu's on. Maybe he'll pick it.
Yeah, what about Kumu?
Pointing to the word and we
we're
wouldn't
doing
say
the
no.
last one. The student will not drive the car to Phoenix.
Oh.
First word, ʻAʻole.
Oh, yeah, fun.
So, second word, e.
Yeah. Let's see. Third word, kalaiva. Somebody wants the 4th word?
Kalaiva ana.
Anna.
What did she say today that was funny?
5th word, huh?
Sorry.
You saw what Kumu sent you today, remember? About your the sword.
Oh yeah, I think so. Bye, Viv. Okay.
Sorry.
When you guys are done, if you guys can create 3 future tense sentences in
Okay.
negative. Okay.
In the chat.
Yeah, and then since we didn't really go over those.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye, Viv. Okay.
E.
E,
ʻAʻA.
and then the
Yeah.
second one would be
E.
also
Fina.
E.
Because they're going to.
Yeah. So you use
Yes.
E direction.
You
got
it. You got it.
Great job, everyone.
Hi, Auntie Gail. How's it going?
I know nothing, but it's going good.
No, you just translated these sentences with us.
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you.
Your niece can help you to get them.
Thank goodness.
She's kind of sassy though. She always sasses me in the chat privately. Nah, just kidding.
That's not even okay.
Okay, a couple more minutes. When yours are done, if you guys can create 3 future tense.
Okay.
3 future tense?
Yeah, since we never go over that one.
Okay,
Yeah,
we just translated all those, so we just make our own now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Lawa. ʻIhele.
For future, I think it'd be ʻEhele. Ana.
So it's not ʻAʻole e lawa, it's ʻAʻole lawa.
Mm-hmm. Because it's the papani.
Oh, okay.
So ʻAʻole lawa, ʻEhele ana, I
Kapaina.
Kapaina.
Good job.
Oh, that was a lot. That was a hard one.
Yeah.
Did someone leave?
Yeah, Ethan.
Yeah.
Kumu, you know, for the lessons, so when we turn it in, we turn in all the Google slides. That's what I did. Is that what we're
so you
supposed to do?
submit the Google Slides. I actually haven't corrected slides for like a couple of weeks, so I gotta get back on it. It's just finishing up school, my last weeks of school, so I'll get back on it in the summer. But yeah.
I mean, so I just go through each page, and where there's a box, you type in. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So which one are you on now?
The last
We
one.
just finished. Yeah, we just finished.
Oh, sorry, Charmaine, which lesson? Do you remember?
Oh, on 28, gonna be 28.
Oh, you did all of those
I
already?
did 28. I did 28.
Oh, okay. So one thing, if you go back all the way to the bottom, it starts with 1. That might be
Oh yeah,
easier.
I did that today. I discovered that.
Okay, yeah. I know, it's kind of confusing.
I just discovered it. So I said, oh, I got plenty to do.
Yeah.
But it took me all day to do 28.
Oh, for real.
Yeah, it took me a long time. Several hours.
No, I was gonna say because it's pretty much brand new. So yeah, I would say start off with 1 and then work your way. And if you have the video is there too, so you can watch the video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, why is it harder, Kumu, to translate the English into Hawaiian? It's easier to do the Hawaiian into English.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think because like in Hawaiian, you see the parts and you can just imagine it in English, but in Hawaiian, you pretty much have to go from scratch and, create it yourself. So it's a little bit different, but yeah. I think we'll learn through it. Yeah, we'll work through it. A lot different, yeah, Lindy. Lindy, so good to see you back.
Nice to see you. I'm, as usual, behind because now I've got patches of not being here again.
Yeah,
that's all right.
You're good. Yeah, we have the videos available and whatever.
And I watched 28 and actually did the lesson and sent it today.
Yeah, that one wasn't too bad. Yeah, Charmaine came to 28, and
yeah,
it wasn't that crazy.
No, 28 wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
It was just creating the sentences. The translating was okay, but to create the sentences.
Trying to pull a piece of Hawaiian properly out of the brain is not easy.
Yeah. It's not easy. Okay, a couple more minutes and we'll go back.
So Kumu, do you have like tutors that help in between classes that if I have a question, I can contact?
Not necessarily, but just email me. I can.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
So the four, Kapua, Erika, Lena, Ala, and Carly, they help me in the class, but I don't want to have them like outside of the class be like, oh, answer these emails and stuff, because yeah, they're doing it from their heart.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
ʻAʻole,
Kākou.
kākou.
You guys still working?
Yeah, almost out.
Okay, I'm gonna do 1 minute left. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ʻAʻole, kākou.
One minute. What should we do, Carly? Should we read through them? One group, take one group at a time, or what?
Yeah, we should do that. And then we should do that thing where you do the one word at a time with the next group.
Okay.
And have them try to do as fast as they can
Oh, I like it.
without overlapping. Hi. They can't hear you. Aloha.
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 Oh, that was hard. Fun.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, so we're gonna do that 1, 2, 3 words, and you're just gonna say one example. So we'll start off with Carly's group. If you guys can read your example, and then breakout room number 3, you're gonna try and do the 1, 2, 3 word. So that's Charmaine, Lindy, and Pamela. Okay, so let's listen carefully.
Oh, you want us to go?
No, Kiani, yeah, I think Kiani's gonna read. So if you guys,
ʻAʻole mako e ʻaka ana ia ka hanuola I ka papa I keia ahi.
okay, can you do a little easier one?
Wow.
I love it, but
Well, I got in the
hard
evening.
Yeah, are they all hard?
No, I have one more.
Okay.
ʻAʻole lawa e hele I ka paina.
Okay, nice. Yeah, that's
they too did to the party.
okay. So Pamela, Charmaine, and Lindy. Try. Give me the first word. One of you.
Oh, I was.
They.
Yeah.
She's gonna have to read it again.
They
Okay.
are not going to the party.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got it. Okay, thank you. So let's get one of your samples, and then number 4, you guys can do the 1 to 3, or you can just read it, whichever. It doesn't matter. Charmaine, you want to read your example?
ʻAʻole ka'u ʻilio ʻELE'ele.
Okay, there got to be a verb in there. So you got
ʻAʻole,
everything.
ʻELE. ʻAʻole, ʻELE'ele, a kā'u ʻilio. Was that sentence?
Okay, I'm gonna add to it. Okay, so Jason, Carrie, and Rissa. Try this one. ʻAʻole e holo ana ka'u I leo ʻELE'ELE. First word.
My dog.
Okay. Second word.
Wait, my black dog?
Yeah. Second. Next word.
Will not.
Yeah. And Rissa, you want to finish it?
Run?
Yep. ʻAʻole e holo ana ka'u I leo ʻELE'ELE. My black dog will not run. Okay. Let's go. One from Carrie's group.
Jason,
Carrie, yeah.
Shall I read? Okay. ʻAʻole e ai ana o Jason I nā kuki kokoleka I eia po.
Okay. So group number 4, that's our number 5, Dorcas, Erika, Kekaimolo, and Tobias. ʻAʻole e ai ana o Jason I nā kuki kokoleka I keia po. First word.
Jason.
Jason.
Second.
Will not.
Will not.
Will not.
Next word.
Eat.
Next.
Chocolate cookies.
Cookies tonight.
Tonight.
Good job. Jason will not eat chocolate cookies tonight. Good. Okay, so one from your guys, Dale, Eva, Lihu Okimura.
Our turn to say a sentence?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Erika's, yeah.
Oh, they're listening.
They're gonna listen.
Sorry, I just really like Kikoimalu's sentence and I don't want you to skip it. Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Kikoimalu, you okay to share your sentence?
Fine.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Do not say anything to my mom, Kahano.
Okay, I won't. I'm nervous. What is it?
Okay, I'll say it. ʻAʻole au e wala'au ana. Wait, ʻaʻole au e wala'au ana ma ke kelepana me ko'u ipo mai waiʻanae.
Sorry, I didn't know it would be controversial. I'm so sorry.
It's not. She's 21 and over, so she's good. Okay, so what is that? I think it was Dale, Eva, and Leho Kimura.
Your boyfriend?
Wait, lady, wait. Dale, Eva, and Leho. First word.
Kumu kaimalu ʻōLELO hou ke ʻoluʻolu nei.
It's in the chat too.
Oh.
Yeah. So ʻaʻole au e wala'au ana ma ke kelepona me ka'u ipo mai waiʻanae.
So I is the first word? Okay, so I will not be.
Will not be talking.
I will not talk.
I will not talk. Yeah.
On the phone with my sweetheart from Waiʻanae.
Yes. I will not talk on the phone with my ipo, my sweetheart from Waiʻanae. Texting your mom right now, Kikaimala. Hey, yeah.
No, Kahano.
Oh, you said safe space.
Oh, yeah, I'm joking. Okay, and then the last group, Eva or Dale or Mahalo, can you read yours for the last group?
Dale, you want to try yours?
Yeah, Dale, do yours because it was correct.
She's not going to talk to her ipo from Nanakuli.
have to find my sentence. Let's see. I guess I'll just say it. ʻAʻole au e ai ana I ka ʻaina ahi I kēia la.
Cool. So that's Kapua, Lena Ala, Gail, and Tasha. So I don't know. You got the 2 kākou, so.
Okay, I typed it in the chat for us. Go ahead.
Tasha and Gail. Right?
I
Will.
Everyone.
You're not even in our group, Erika.
Wait, I can't sit with you?
No, Marco.
Tasha?
Where are we reading from?
Chat.
The last message I put in.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I will not eat.
Yep.
Yep. I will not eat. Lena Ala, you want to do the next one?
Dinner.
Dinner. Gail, you want to try the last part? Ikeia la. Rhymes with pude. Today. Yay.
Yay.
Okay, good job. All right. So yeah, I think we're fine. Okay, so good job everyone. Next class is going to be on the 27th next week, and I think we're gonna practice more on the ʻUA sentence structure. So past tense, learning about our ali'i. So that's actually a very good one if you guys can come. Erika just sent the link one more time, so if you guys want to sign up now, can. Yeah, don't forget to sign up. Okay, Paka Papa. Thank you everyone.
Mahalo, Kumu.
Mahalo, Kumu.
Hello.
Bye.
This was
Mahalo.
Fun.
Good fun tonight.
Yeah. It was good and challenging.
Yeah, exactly. Gotta challenge ourselves now. Bye, guys. Erika, give him a cookie. Give Jason a cookie.
Mahalo, when is the next book club?
Aloha.
I didn't decide on the book yet, so Puyo, Gail, thank you. Yeah, I'll let you guys know in June.
Okay. Mahalo.
Mahalo.
Mahalo, hiho.
Mahalo.
Puyo.